Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will understand about what is the biological stress. So the biological stress is simply, you can say, the external stimuli or internal stimuli which that will change the DNA. So that is why the basically the change of the DNA and the regulation of the DNA will be changed. So what is the biological stress? Biological stress can be many reason. So let's understand about what is the biological stress. Basically, for example, I am giving the example. For example, when you will go into the gym, you will break your muscle by the hard exercise. In this way, the myofiber will be break. In this way, the stress, this is the stress, will lead to give the response to the DNA of the cell, will lead to replicate more cell, and in this way the survivalship will be increased, and the stress response will lead to trigger the survivalship, and the cell will maintain. That is why this is will lead to longevity gene activation, like hot and cold exposure of your body. First hot and then cold will lead to constriction. The vasoconstriction and vasodilation will lead to also give the stress response. In this way the cardiovascular system health will improve. On the other hand, the biological stress is like angry, and this is also the for certain time of the angriness is also the part of biological stress, which that will lead to activate that gene which will resist you. On the other hand, the fasting is also create the biological stress. Whenever you will not eat, our biological process in our tissue, in our cell, will activate that gene, will consume the deposit fat. In this way weight will be loose, but this will also activate the on the basis of stress response that gene, which that also maintain the adipose tissue. So the longer fasting is not good as compared to the 3 days fasting or 2 days fasting. So anyhow, this is the homeostasis. So homeostasis is required in our body on the basis of stress response. So this is the stress response. On the other hand, whenever you will eat more, so the stress will occur, which that will lead to, if we will go with a cheat meal. So in this way, you will eat one time in a week a high dose of the food, which that also trigger the stress, and in this way it is also beneficial. So what is the biological stress? Biological stress is that stress which that is occur due to the exogenous or endogenous changes of your physiology, and endogenous changes through stimuli like exercise, like fasting, or cold exposure, hot exposure. And on the other hand, the study different topics you can learn, and in this way you can improve yourself. That is why, if you like my video, please make sure to subscribe, like and share. See in the next video. For this time, bye. But I am also making the handwritten tutorial about the biomedical science, about the biological science, life science. You can learn a lot of these things from my tutorial. So for this time, bye. See in the next video. Please make sure to subscribe. Bye.